Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. In this video, we're exploring MateTranslate, found at https://www.mate.com.au. This handy translation tool offers a compelling alternative to more established options. While many users rely on Google Translate or DeepL, MateTranslate brings some unique features to the table that warrant a closer look. Whether you're a student grappling with multilingual research, a professional navigating international communications, or a traveler needing quick translations on the go, MateTranslate might just be the perfect solution. MateTranslate stands out for its comprehensive language support, covering a broad spectrum of languages, from common to less frequently used. This makes it a valuable resource for anyone working with diverse linguistic needs. Beyond its extensive language coverage, MateTranslate also boasts an intuitive interface, designed for ease of use. This user-friendly design makes quick work of translating text, streamlining your workflow and saving you precious time. Another key feature of MateTranslate is its integration capabilities. It seamlessly integrates with various applications and platforms, allowing you to translate text directly within your preferred working environment. This eliminates the need to constantly switch between windows or applications, further enhancing efficiency. The developers have clearly prioritized user experience, crafting a tool that is both powerful and accessible. Beyond simple text translation, MateTranslate offers a range of advanced features. These include the ability to translate documents, websites, and even entire web pages. This expands the utility of the tool significantly, making it a versatile solution for a variety of translation tasks. For those who need to translate larger volumes of text, MateTranslate is a particularly attractive option. Furthermore, MateTranslate incorporates a handy phrasebook feature, allowing you to save commonly used phrases and access them quickly. This is especially beneficial for travelers and those who frequently use specific phrases in their work. Combined with its offline functionality, MateTranslate becomes an indispensable tool for translating on the go, even without an internet connection. This offline capability ensures you're never caught without access to translation services, regardless of your location. Finally, MateTranslate provides customizable settings to tailor the tool to your specific needs. You can adjust preferences related to language pairs, translation speed, and other factors, allowing you to optimize the tool for your individual workflow. This level of customization makes MateTranslate a truly personalized translation solution, adaptable to diverse requirements. So, head over to https://www.mate.com.au and give MateTranslate a try.